We will start by setting up multi-level categories in Book24Seven. This feature helps you organize related services, such as treatments, sessions, or classes, into clear, structured groups. With layered categorization, it reduces booking confusion. Clients can quickly find the service they need, along with the right staff and accurate pricing. Let's see how to set up multi-level categories. From the Book24Seven dashboard, click Services in the sidebar. Then click the plus icon next to Categories to create a new parent category. For example, here I am using a test name. To add a subcategory, click the plus icon next to the parent category and choose Category as the type. Then enter the subcategory name. Repeat this process as needed to build your category hierarchy. Now let's see how to assign staff and services. Once your categories are created, add a new service under the appropriate category or subcategory. Now fill out the information properly. Assign the staff members who provide that service in Staff tab. You can also set specific price for assigned staff. Then, set duration, break time, availability, and special days per service in timesheet if needed. If the service includes optional services, add them in the Extras tab. You can set additional configurations in the Settings tab. After entering all the details, click Add Service to make the service available for customers. Now, let's see what customers experience when booking. When a customer starts the booking process, they first choose a staff member. Then they select the service, based on the category and subcategory structure you created. After that, they choose from the available dates and time slots. This creates a smoother, faster, and more accurate booking experience.